ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു CACB EduFocus. ഇന്ന് കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ലോ ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യണത്. ടൈം ലിമിറ്റുകളാണ് നോക്കണേ. എക്സാമിന് ചോദിച്ചു കണ്ടുവരുന്ന എല്ലാ ടൈം ലിമിറ്റുകളും കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. 2 പാർട്ടായിട്ടാണ് ചെയ്യണേ. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഫസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം. An application for registration of a society or amendment of bylaw are to be disposed of by the registrar within 90 days from the receipt of application. രജിസ്ട്രേഷൻ്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അമെൻമെൻറ്റിൻ്റെ അപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ കിട്ടി രജിസ്ട്രാർ അത് എത്ര ദിവസത്തിനുള്ളിൽ ഡിസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യണം? 90 days. Order of refusal of registration shall be communicated within 7 days from the date of refusal. റിഫ്യൂസലിൻ്റെ ഓർഡർ കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് 7 ഡേയ്സിനുള്ളിലാണ്. ഇഫ് റെപ്രസെൻറ്റേഷൻ ഫോർ നോൺ രജിസ്റ്ററിംഗ് സൊസൈറ്റി or bylaw amendment is received by the registrar or government shall issue direction within 60 days from the receipt of representation. If representation for non-registering society or bylaw amendment is received by the registrar or government shall issue direction within 60 days from the receipt of representation. Application for affiliation to Apex Society is to be considered within 60 days from the receipt of application. If affiliation is rejected, the society can file appeal before registrar within 30 days from the date of rejection. അഫിലിയേഷൻ്റെ അപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ റിജക്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിന് അപ്പീൽ കൊടുക്കാം രജിസ്ട്രാർക്ക് 30 ദിവസത്തിനുള്ളിൽ. Registrar shall dispose of the appeal for affiliation within 60 days from the date of appeal. ആ അപ്പീലിൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ തീരുമാനം എടുക്കേണ്ടത് 60 ദിവസത്തിനുള്ളിൽ. For change of liability, change of name, amalgamation, division, transfer of assets and liabilities, time for option of withdrawing the shares and deposits of members or creditors is 2 months from the date of notice. Decision on application of membership shall be taken within 2 months from the date of receipt of application. മെമ്പർഷിപ്പിൻ്റെ തീരുമാനം എടുക്കേണ്ടത് 2 മാസത്തിനുള്ളിൽ. If decision on membership is not taken, registrar shall decide the application within 1 month. If registrar is not deciding the application, government shall decide within 30 days from the receipt of representation. If membership is refused, it shall be communicated within 15 days from the date of refusal. If membership is refused, it shall be communicated within 15 days from the date of refusal. Copy of resolution expelling a member shall be communicated within 15 days from the date of resolution. Copy of resolution expelling a member shall be communicated within 15 days from the date of resolution. Readmission of expelled members only after 1 year. ഒരു മെമ്പറിനെ എക്സ്പെൽ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആളേനെ റീഅഡ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ 1 വർഷം കഴിയണം. Every society shall commence working within 6 months from the date of registration. Chief promoter shall call first general body within 3 months from the date of registration. ഫസ്റ്റ് GB 3 മാസത്തിനുള്ളിൽ ചീഫ് പ്രൊമോട്ടർ വിളിച്ചു കൂട്ടും. Proposal for bylaw amendment shall be forwarded to registrar within 1 month from the date of general body. Proposal for bylaw amendment shall be forwarded to registrar within 1 month from the date of general body. ഇത് കൂടുതൽ തവണ ചോദിച്ച് കണ്ടിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്, അപ്പോൾ നോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് വയ്ക്കുക. Appeal for refusal of ID card shall be submitted to registrar within 15 days from the date of refusal. Registrar shall dispose of above appeal petition within 30 days from the date of appeal. ID കാർഡിൻ്റെ അപ്പീൽ കൊടുക്കാൻ 15 ദിവസം, ആ അപ്പീൽ ഡിസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് 30 ദിവസം. Number of days notice to be given to a member for stating his explanation before expulsion. 15 days clear notice. Membership shall not be given within 60 days prior to the date of fixed for election. Annual general body shall be held within 6 months from the close of financial year. If general body is not convened, the registrar shall be competent to convene the general body within 90 days from the date of expiry of period mentioned. If general body is not convened, the registrar shall be competent to convene the general body within 90 days from the date of expiry of period mentioned. The committee shall call a special general body within 1 month from the date of requisition by the registrar or 1/5 of the total number of members. Notice of general body. At least 15 clear days notice before the date of meeting. Resolution regarding the election is to be taken by the committee at least 60 days prior to the date of expiry of the existing committee. A copy of resolution fixing the election shall be sent to the Election Commission through registrar within 1 week from the date of resolution. Preliminary voters list shall be published by electoral officer within 35 days prior to the date fixed for poll. Time limit for raising objection to preliminary voters list 7 days from the date of publication. Time limit for raising objection to preliminary voters list 7 days from the date of publication. Final voters list published by the electoral officer within 20 days prior to the date fixed for poll. Issue of ID card shall be stopped before 2 days prior to the poll. Decision on the complaint regarding the issue of ID card shall be taken before 2 days prior to the date of poll. Returning officer should hand over the contesting candidates list to the electoral officer for printing ballot paper on the next day of publication of list of contesting candidates. Ballot papers shall be supplied to the returning officer by the electoral officer on the previous day fixed for the poll. Secretary shall preserve used and unused ballot papers in a sealed cover for a period of 3 months from the date of announcement of results. After election, the presiding officer shall convene the committee meeting for election of president within 7 days from election or before expiry of the term of existing committee, whichever is earlier. If casual vacancy of office bearers arise, the committee shall report to the Election Commission within 15 days of arising the vacancy. Election Commission shall appoint the presiding officer within 7 days. Presiding officer shall convene the meeting of committee members within 7 days. A representation to pass a non-confidence motion will be disposed of within 30 days from the date of receipt of motion delivered by registrar. Number of days notice required for the meeting to consider the no confidence motion, 15 days clear notice. If a no confidence motion is passed, the President shall resign within 2 days. If a no confidence motion fails, next no confidence motion shall be entertained only after 6 months. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എല്ലാവരും നോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ച് പഠിക്കുക. ബാക്കി ടൈം ലിമിറ്റുകൾ അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യും. താങ്ക് യു.